Actually. Actually means really, in fact, or in truth. Actually, a lot of people pronounce this word with too much movement of lips. Today I can share with you the easy way to say this word. First of all, it starts with ack. Then the CH sound ch. Or you can even replace it with SH sound sh. So it's act. Like you sneeze, act. Then there is li. There's the schwa sound and li. Can you put them together? Actually. Actually, it's not that hard. You don't even have to move your lips. Just make sure you open your mouth wide for ah. That's it. Thanks for listening. Current means the present time. Current event is something that's happening right now. Current also means the flow or the stream. Current is pronounced with a heavy sound, sandwiched between k sound and n and t sounds. Anti-consonant cluster. Nt. I've noticed many Japanese people pronounce it with the mouth opened a little too much because the sound needs to be more of a closed sound. Current. Make sure the current of the air or your breath start with the k sound all the way down to the t sound, nice and smooth. You need a good air supply to make it happen. Current. See, a lot of air is coming out. If you keep working on your breath control along with a good technique, I guarantee you can go far beyond your current pronunciation. If you need a private lesson, please let me know. Thanks for listening. Stomach is an organ which helps you digest food. It also means abdomen or belly, which is a part of the body below the chest area. When I first learned this word in the United States, I never knew how to spell it. I just remember by the sound, stomach. This word has two vowels, the letter O and the letter A. You might be tempted to pronounce it stomach, but be aware, the spell does not help you to pronounce it correctly. Let's learn how to say it. The first syllable is pronounced stum, with the U sound like stuff, stuck, or study. Now this is deceiving because usually the letter O is pronounced aw. But just remember in this case, it's not. It's instead of ah. Well, the next syllable is spelled with the letter A, so you might think it's Mac. I'm sorry, it's not. It's muck with a very weak sound. Almost only the letter M and letter K sound. Muck, muck, muck. When you say stum, you need to push out a little more air from your belly or the stomach area. Stomach, stomach, stomach. Don't overdo it though, so your stomach hurts. Thanks for listening.